Pumpkins have a long and fascinating history, dating back thousands of years to ancient times in North America. The word pumpkin comes from the Greek word pipon, which means large melon. Native Americans were the first to cultivate pumpkins, using them as a food source and for medicinal purposes. They roasted the seeds and used them as a source of oil, and they also believed that pumpkins had healing powers and used them to treat ailments such as fever, coughs, and even snake bites. When European explorers arrived in North America in the 16th century, they discovered pumpkins and brought them back to Europe. Pumpkins quickly became popular in Europe, and were used in a variety of dishes such as soups, stews, and pies. In the 18th and 19th centuries, pumpkins were introduced to other parts of the world, including Asia and Africa. Today, pumpkins are still enjoyed for their delicious taste and nutritional benefits. Pumpkin is low in calories and high in fiber, making it an excellent food choice for weight loss and digestive health. It's also high in vitamin A, which is important for eye health, and in antioxidants, which can help protect the body against cancer and other diseases. Let's start with the nutritional benefits of pumpkin. 1 cup of cooked pumpkin contains only 49 calories and 3 grams of fiber, which makes it an ideal food for weight loss. The fiber in pumpkin helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating and snacking between meals. It also helps to regulate the digestive system, keeping it functioning properly and preventing constipation. Pumpkins are also a great source of vitamin A, which is essential for eye health. Vitamin A helps to prevent night blindness, cataracts, and other eye problems. 1 cup of cooked pumpkin contains more than 200% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin A. Another benefit of pumpkins is their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are important because they help protect the body against cancer and other diseases. They also help to prevent inflammation and promote overall health and wellness. Pumpkins are a good source of beta-carotene, which is a type of antioxidant that gives pumpkin its bright orange color. In addition to these health benefits, pumpkins are also good for heart health. They are a good source of potassium, which can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Pumpkins are also low in sodium, which is important for heart health. So, how can you incorporate pumpkins into your diet? There are many ways to enjoy this versatile vegetable. You can roast pumpkin seeds for a healthy snack, or add canned pumpkin to soups and stews for extra nutrition. You can also make pumpkin puree and use it as a base for smoothies or as a substitute for oil or butter in baking recipes. In conclusion, pumpkins have a fascinating history and are a nutritious food with many health benefits. Whether you enjoy them roasted, pureed, or in a pie, incorporating pumpkins into your diet can help promote overall health and wellness. So why not try adding some pumpkin to your next meal and reap the benefits for yourself? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought about the video. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.